welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel Banks and I plan to bring you all things beauty. Okay guys, so today I did my fall decorating. So I decorated my home for fall, and all I did was put out the items that I got from my Dollar Tree haul around my house. So I styled them up a few different ways to show you different ideas, and then I'm going to show you how I finally decided to style my front room with the home decor, the fall home decor. I also put some pieces out in my front yard too, so I'll show you that as well. So come with me as I show you how I decorated my home. Now I will say, whenever I do like any sort of holiday or seasonal decor, I am very much a minimalist. I don't like to necessarily disrupt the decor that I already have going on, unless I'm like changing out some pieces or adding some new pieces that are going to stay no matter what the season or holiday is. So like for fall, I only sprinkle little pieces here and there. I don't do anything like really crazy. I like to keep it very minimal, so that way when fall is over and we get into some other seasons or holidays come up, it's not a lot to take down. It's not disrupting any of my other decor, so I'm not like trying to remember how things were. So that's how I am. I am very much a minimalist when it comes to holiday and seasonal decorating. Like around the Christmas time, when I film my Christmas decor or winter decor, you will see that it is a very minimal, and I've always been like that. So let's get started with this fall decorating. Okay guys, so before we get started with the fall decorating, I decided to do a mini tour of my front room so you can get an idea of how I like to style, or my personality, my styling techniques. So I just wanted to show you my front room before we added the fall decor. But this is how my front room looks now. My front room is not done by far. It's still some pieces that I need to get. And whenever I get those pieces, I will let you know. And even before I start to get those pieces, I'll walk you through what my thought process is for getting more pieces. But this is just how my front room is styled right now. Okay, so right here is where we're going to focus majority of our attention on. This is where I am planning to do the vast majority of the decorating. Just wanted to remind you of the pieces that I'm going to be using. This is the brown pumpkin that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then this is that orange pumpkin that I got from TJ Maxx. This is that greenish teal pumpkin that I got from TJ Maxx. And then here are the mums that I got from the Dollar Tree. And here's the orange pumpkin that I got from the Dollar Tree with the gold accent. Okay, so here's the first style. And now, I lose my own side. My love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me? Baby, you are not more than a dream. for this style, I just removed my faux flowers that I originally had in my vase, and I added the 2 pumpkins that I got from TJ Maxx, and I thought it was a very pretty and simple. Okay, let's do another look. You're all I want. Okay, so right here, I just replaced those pumpkins that I got from TJ Maxx for the pumpkins that I got from the Dollar Tree. I thought this was very cute and elegant as well. Very simple. Didn't really have to change much, but it still added some a fall essence to my front room. Okay, let's do another look. Okay, so here I removed my candles that I had in my tray. I added back my faux flowers, my original faux flowers, and I added the mums that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I added back the pumpkins that I got from TJ Maxx. Now, originally when I had got the mums, this is what I had envisioned in my head doing on the tray, is arranging them some way where they actually laid on the tray and not in the vase itself. I thought this was really different, really pretty. Okay guys, so here is what I think is going to be the final look, so stay tuned. I'm not more than a dream. So wait, yeah wait, can you even hold me? Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my... Okay, so this didn't work, so I had to do a little bit of rearranging to try to get the pumpkins, the candles, and the flowers to all look good. Okay, so since the mums were not working in front of the candles, I decided to place them, arrange them behind the candles. That is what you see me doing now. Okay, so I really fell in love with the mums behind the candles, and I decided to go with this as my final and only look for my living room table. I really love this look, so I'm going to show you where I put the rest of the pumpkins in the house. I put the one brown pumpkin with the gold detailing from the Dollar Tree in my entryway. I thought it was really cute to add like a pop of fall decor right when you come in. And now I'm just showing you how the front room is looking with all of the decor that I added, which is not much, but it looks very cute to me. I am absolutely in love with the mums behind the candles. And I absolutely love those pumpkins that I got from TJ Maxx. I think they look perfect with the color scheme of my living room. As you can see, I am in love with teal, blush pink, and grays. I did add this little orange pumpkin from the Dollar Tree right here on this side table. I thought it was very cute just to add just a little bit of a pop of fall decor right there. Okay, so I put that last orange pumpkin with the gold detailing on my leaning bookshelf just to add some fall decor over in that area as well to make it all come together. Really enjoyed the fall decor in the living room. Now we need to get outside so I can show you guys how I put all of those pieces that I got from the Dollar Tree outside. Now originally, I don't know if you all remember, I had got 5 of the scarecrows and I had got that little sign, and everything only cost $1 each. But I gave my mom 2 of the scarecrows because she is so good to us, so I decided to give back to her, and I gave her 2 of the scarecrows. I know it's not a lot, but I just wanted to show some appreciation and give her a little fall decor to put outside in front of her home. So stay tuned for my outside decor. Okay, so here is that sign that I got from the Dollar Tree that just says Home Sweet Home, and it has like the little fall paintings on it, and here is one of the scarecrows. I thought it looked really, really good right next to my porch. So everything that I got fall related for outside is on either side of the stairs. That way you can see them as you come up to my house. And here are the other 2 scarecrows on the other side of the porch. Like I said, all of the fall decor outside is on either side of the porch. The only thing that I need to add to my porch now are some real pumpkins. So I probably would head out to like Walmart or my local grocery store to get some pumpkins, depending on where I can find it cheaper. But that's the next thing that I need to add to the outside of my home is some real pumpkins. Or am I wrong? I lose now. It's like my love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me? Baby, you are not more than a dream. Enjoyed this video and me decorating my living space with fall decor. It was not a lot. Like I said, I am very much a minimalist when it comes to holiday decorating and seasonal decor decorating. That way you don't have too much junk in your house. Plus, it's easy to take everything down and change pieces out, and that way you don't disrupt your normal space. So that's how I like to decorate. Please leave in the comments how you have decorated your space, maybe some pictures, if you're a minimalist like me, or if you like to go hardcore with your seasonal decorating. Leave all of that in the comments, as well as feel free to share and like this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you waiting on, okay? Please subscribe to my channel. click that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload, okay? And then to all my existing subscribers, I appreciate your support. Thank you so very much, and I will talk to you all soon. Hey, you, we could be more.